Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we're checking out this Holman shelf. It is a 52-inch wide by 60-inch high cargo van shelf. Comes in the gray powder coat like all the Holman products. Also has a very simple system for adjusting the shelves. It uses this lance system is what it's called, but these little tabs that you can just pop the shelf up, put it where you want it, pop it back down, and you're just installing using these screws, and there are welded nuts right where they're at, so there's no fumbling with hardware. Just screwing it right into place. The Holman shelving system also comes with installation brackets as well as hardware. So no matter where you're at in your cargo van, you're gonna find a spot to install this securely. Another awesome benefit is that it comes with these back panels on there to keep your cargo that you're transporting from falling back behind your shelf and winding up on the floor. The Holman system also has a bunch of accessories that can be added onto the shelf, things like doors and drawers and hooks for the sides. Tons of options, tons of accessories to make this exactly what you need to be work ready in the field. You can find Holman shelves like this and other accessories on upfitsupply.com.